Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money using KakakoBank. First, open the KakakoBank app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are on the main screen, you will see your account balance. Tap the send or transfer button. Next, choose you want to send money to. You have two options. You can select contact from Kakako or you can enter a bank account number manually. If you choose a Kakako contact, just tap the person name. If you choose a bank account, select the bank and tap the amount carefully. After that, enter the amount of the money you want to send. Check the amount again to sure it's correct and tap next. You will write a short message if you want, but this step is optional. Next, review all the details on the screen. Make sure the name, account number and the amount are correct. If everything looks good, tap confirm and enter the 6-digit pin or use fingerprint to complete the transaction. Once the transfer is done, you will see a confirmation screen, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.